Hello guys, I'm about to go out to advance. Today is Monday, it's so good I get day off. Yesterday I didn't film a lot, just unpacking, and after that in the evening I go to the pool with my sister, step sister, no, half sister. Oh yeah, okay, today is gonna be alright. Simply makeup. I just put sunscreen on it and then Vaseline, lip balm. I don't want to make up a lot, just sunscreen and maybe eyebrow a little bit. But I feel like I want to do grocery as well because I don't have nothing in my fridge. And just explore around city. In Thailand, it's a raining season right now, so it would be hard to go out sometime because you don't even know when is rain gonna coming. But I feel like today is a very good day, it's sunlight. Yes. My eyebrow. That's it. Okay. I was using this. Just got this 2 days or 3 days ago. It's a really beautiful color. Oh my god, I got acne in here. So annoying. Look. My hair is getting long, as you can see, so I was thinking about to cut a little bit off around here and make it more style, you know. Yes. Wow, tired already. It's so lucky that this salon is closer to BTS, so
불가리.
hi guys, just came back home with my new hair. Wow, this is really satisfying because it's that what I want, you know. I would pay for it. It's so beautiful, the layer, the cut. So happy, but you're gonna believe this. I'm on the way from the shopping, Lotus. On the bird is hit my shoulder from nowhere. I was like, what the hell? So I just change my clothes now. But anyway, so let's see what I got. Orange juice, Dunkin' Donuts. So good. And 2 piece of donuts. Chocolate, yogurt. I have planned to make like an oat milk that I saw in TikTok, but I never had before, so I was gonna try it, you know. Oat with the yogurt and milk mixed with berries. That's my berry. This one, and put honey on top. So let's see how is it. I think you guys already tried it, but I haven't tried it, so hope it looks so good. What else about chicken? I'm gonna make macaroni today. Oh no, I don't have macaroni. It's a pasta, spaghetti chicken. Yeah. And I have a little cup for the oatmeal that I'm gonna make it for tomorrow. So let's see, I like it or not. Got some noodles, Korean noodles. And I got a little marks for pieces. Yeah. Gonna do it tonight. Milk, of course. New toothbrush. And conditioner and shampoo. Currently use L'Oreal. You know it's good or not, but it's good for UVA, UVB filter. Protect color for 7 weeks. Yes. Oh, sorry guys. Listerine. New one is a pomelo with passion fruit. Spaghetti sauce, tomato. What else? Toothpaste. Hand gel, soaps. That is all. Wow, I really love my hair a lot, guys. Actually, I have planned to change the color, but I feel like this is already like new style, you know, so I'm not gonna change for now. Love you so much. Wow, not bad. Quite nice. So good. It's raining outside. It's good to cooking at home.